Hi, I'm Wendy Weir with Libre Tea, and I am so happy to be here this morning with you because we do love to be on the go. And that being on the go is all about, for us, being able to have tea moments on the go. And sometimes it all works out, and sometimes your camera just decides it's going to slide on you. So anyway, what I wanted to do is show you a few tips and tricks this morning relative to being able to be on the go with your Libre tea glass. And as you know, our Libras are actually with the glass interior and the durable poly exterior. And we're just having a couple of challenges here with our setup, but we're back. I think that's going to keep us together. So, as I say, we've got this great filter on top, and it keeps all the leaves and it keeps all of your fruits, let's say for lemon water. And you know, when it's colder out, you might like some lemon and ginger, things like that. This morning, I've got oolong in there, and the oolong is a tea that I really love. And with all this area for the leaves to open up, it makes it so easy on the go. So with being on the go, one of the things that we want to make sure of is that we're always not leaking. So where the Libre comes together at the threads and inside here, you always want to make sure that they are clean and dry. And that'll ensure that you have no leaking on the go. So our tips for having lovely, easeful tea moments on the go: make sure your threads are clean and dry. Enjoy whatever you've got going on in there, because often it can be quite healthy for you, so you can have your healthiest of drinks on the go. And finally, a tea moment for ease on the go. When it doesn't quite go your way, I suggest staying really grounded. Feel your feet, feel your connection to the ground, and then take a big breath. A tea moment. And if you do a couple of those right down into your belly, no doubt you'll be feeling much calmer sooner on your journey to follow your dreams, as this says, although I understand it's backwards. So, healthy stuff in your tea glass to go. Nice hot cup of tea this morning. And enjoy your tea moments. Enjoy your peace, and know that you've got that place inside you, and you're going to feel more ease on the go. Thanks for joining us. Enjoy your tea moments.